Hello, it's Jess and Cliff with another fun guide on using your GE top-load washer. Remember, your model might look a tad different from the one we have here, but the goal is the same, conquering laundry day like a pro. Let's start with stains. The first step is usually to ensure you pre-treat them according to the product label instructions. Features like Stain Pre-Treat and Stain Removal Guide are there to combat those stubborn grass stains or mystery smears. Now that stains have been stopped in their tracks, open the lid and load your clothes loosely around the agitator or infuser. Resist the temptation to overstuff. And remember to sort your clothes by fabric type and color to enhance wash performance and keep your whites from becoming tie-dyes. Once you're set, close the lid. Occasionally, it might lock. Don't worry, it's for your safety while spinning. We understand how crucial it is to add that last-minute sock or load as the washer fills, so we've got you covered. There's a tip at the end on how to pause your cycle for stray items. Cycle selection is primarily based on the type of clothes you're washing. You can customize the machine's wash action by tweaking water temperature, soil level, spin speed, and more. Depending on your model's control panel, this could involve knob turning or button pressing, but nothing too complicated. For those looking for the easy button, models with my cycle setting, remember your preferences. Press the button after your selection, and voila, your preferences are stored. For those detergent enthusiast moments when you've accidentally poured in too much detergent or bleach, there's an extra rinse. Need to knock out tough, heavily soiled items? Our Sanitized with Oxy feature is your secret weapon. This cycle is designed to remove bacteria when using an oxy additive with detergent, followed by a pump purge and deep rinse to remove contaminants. The next step is to pour your detergent and fabric softener into the appropriate compartment. Remember, for agitator models, use only liquid diluted fabric softener, and don't overdo it. Overfilling or diluting detergent can lead to premature dispensing in the wash cycle. If you're using detergent packets, toss them into the bottom of the wash basket before adding clothes. For softener users, utilize the deep rinse feature to ensure clothes and the machine are properly rinsed after each load. Once you're happy with your selections, press start and kick back. Some models feature cycle status displays, so you're never left guessing. And for those, oh no, I forgot the jersey moments, no problem. Simply press and hold the buttons listed on the back guard to open your lid and throw it in. So there you have it. That's how you and your GE top-load washer team up to tackle laundry day.